So a while back in the lovely summertime, we did a video that we were just announcing that we were going to do a repair manual production on the Kawasaki KLR250, and we're well underway with that. One of the things we brought up in that video was that this old junky one here had a locked up engine, and we're going to find out what it was. Well, we're at that point. We're just about to pull the engine out of the frame. No miracles happened. It's still locked up. So let's pop this engine out of the frame and get into it and see what we find. Maybe it'll be interesting. Okay, there's a pretty good clue there. There's no, I don't see a cam chain anywhere. And the rocker arms seem to be possibly maybe stuck down. I can't tell that. But yeah, there's no cam chain there. So the cam chain broke. And we'll keep digging in to find out where that's at. So the cam chain probably broke. It probably jumped time. Possibly we've got pistons and valves that's hit together. So that's going to be some pretty catastrophic damage in here as we keep moving forward. Alright, so after doing some disassembly on this engine here, I think I kind of answered the question of why the engine was locked up, but it created more questions in that process. So when we took the top end off, there was no cam chain on the cam sprockets, so maybe it broke. It's down in the engine. I can't find any sign of a cam chain in this engine. I've never had this one before. So I don't know if like the valve cover was loose, like it had been removed. So maybe the cam chain broke and somebody fished it out of there, and that's why it's gone. But it's gone. I don't have a cam chain in this engine. It's like you never know what you're going to get in old, crusty, non-running engines. The reason for the seizure, I believe, is if you can see in there, this thing was just so rusty. It had been sitting so long. There's just like a ring of rust and corrosion all the way around the cylinder. So I think that must have been enough to make it feel locked up. The piston here, not terrible, certainly crusty, but now the engine turns over fine now. The bottom end, well, it turns over. I don't know if we'd call that fine, but as you can see down inside of this hole here, yeah, we got no cam chain, and I don't know where it is. And I fished around, looked around with a flashlight, a magnet. I can't find anything. So someone must have been here before and removed it. So now we know why our engine was locked up. The piston's sitting there all rusty and seized. But the cam chain's gone and it's a mystery, so now I don't know what we're gonna do. But that answers the question, I guess, of why the engine was locked up. The piston was rusted inside the cylinder, and we'll have to figure out what to do next. I don't know, but that answers that question. So hopefully that was entertaining.